eating bread and ham together with a pasta.
Hey, Mr. Man, hey, no, what you doing there?
Let me tell you something.
I'm listening.
Right? Let me tell you.
I'm
looking for my phone.
Your phone?
I don't know why.
Hey, watch me, Mr. Man. You looking for your phone in the fridge?
Yes, I'm looking for my phone in the fridge. Mommy, you wouldn't believe where some people phones be. I lost my phone in my hand at time, Mommy.
You lost your phone in your hand?
Yes, I lost it in my hand. I didn't even know the phone was in my hand until somebody tell me. And I was looking all over for my phone. And I can't find my phone here, Mommy.
So you ain't come in the fridge for ham?
No, me ain't come in the fridge for no ham. I come for my phone. I looking for my phone. What going on here, boy?
Boy, bring your face to me, come.
Mommy.
Come, bring your face for me,
Mommy, oh gosh, I'm sorry.
Bring your face for me now, you thief and ham. Go in your damn bed, you like a flicking rat thief and ham in the middle of the night. Where you kissing the ham for, boy, like you want next one out? Shucks, man.